Okay, so these should be pretty familiar. We're just going to do some practice conversions and then we will start plugging in things to our equation later on. So the first thing that we need to know is how to convert back and forth between kilopascals, millimeters of mercury, atmospheres, and pounds per square inch. So just like we did in any other conversion, we're going to write down our givens and what we want. So in this particular case, I've been given 880 millimeters of mercury. I want, ooh, that's terrible. I want to know how many kilopascals that equivalates to. So I want to put kPa so that I can make sure that I use the right conversion. So make sure that you're writing these things out. So, like always, I want to start with my given on top. I'm going to write this a little bit bigger. So I have 880 millimeters of mercury. This should look pretty similar. Now I create my chart. Whatever I have here on the top goes to the bottom. So I have mmHg, and remember whatever we want. So in this particular case, I want kilopascals. That's what's going to go on top. So kPa. Now I just look these two things up in my conversion here. So I see that with millimeters of mercury, I have the number 760. So that is what I'm going to plug in on bottom, 760. And then on top, I see that I have kilopascals, and kilopascals goes with the number 101.3. So I plug in 101.3 up at the top. So remember, when it comes to solving this, we multiply the two numbers on top, divide by the numbers on bottom. Everything on top should be in parentheses. So when you do that, you would end up getting 117.29. Don't forget to round to the hundredths place. So for this one, it was 0.29 kPa. If you need to watch that again, feel free to do so. Otherwise, you can go ahead and move on to the U-try on the next screen.